Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about SQL queries. So this is SQL. Now I will first of all check my databases present. Show databases. Use 12. Show tables. I will check my table student. Select star from student. So this is my table. Now suppose I want to see just roll number, name and marks. So I will write select roll number, name, marks from table name. This is the way I can check my records. Suppose I want to give a name in place of name of student. So I will write within inverted comma name of student. This is known as column alias. You can see name of student. In this statement, as is an optional keyword, you can write as or you can omit it. This is one and the same thing. Now suppose I want to add some content here. For example, I want to add this content. You can see has got. Or add this content like this. Now suppose I first want to see name and then roll number from student. So you can change the order of your column also. You can see as you want. Now you can see this is my record. Suppose I just want to see city. So I will write select city from student. So you can see city. Suppose I don't want repetition here. So I will write the keyword distinct. That means distinct removes the repetition or redundancy, you can say. Now suppose this is my all record. I just want to see the record of those students who have got marks. Where is the condition? Marks greater than 90. You can see. Suppose I want to see who has scored less than 50. So this is, you can see. Now suppose I want to see marks between 80 and 90. In this, if 80 and 90 are present, they will also be included. That means in between clause 80 and 90 are also included. Both values are included. So this is. If I say marks not in between. If I say marks not between, that means excluding these two. You can see. Now suppose I want to see particular records. Suppose I say where marks in bracket start 50, 66, 45. You can write as many as you want. If I say not in, that means excluding these marks. Now suppose I want to sort order by marks. You can see all marks are in ascending order. By default it is ascending. If I want in descending order, I have to write DESC. You can see in descending order. And ASC is for ascending, which is by default. If you don't mention ASC, then also it is in ascending order. This is how you can sort. You can sort on any field. Suppose I want to sort it in name field. Ascending is by default. You can see here. If I want it in descending order, I have to write DESC. So you can see here. This is order by clause. Now, I would like to explain wildcards. What are wildcards? There are two symbols, percentage and underscore. These are known as wildcards. Suppose I say where name, like is an operator used with wildcards, where a percent. That means it will show all the name starting from A. If I say percent %A, that means last character should be P. If I say percent %A percent, that means A character should be there within the name, anywhere. Suppose I say S. S should be there in the name, anywhere in the name, like this S, anywhere in the name. That means this is the starting character I am saying. Suppose say S. Percent. Percent means n number of characters. Similarly, if I say percent S, that means S should be last character. Before that, there can be as many characters, n number of characters. There is no name ending with S. Now, second wildcard is underscore. Suppose I say underscore H percent. Single underscore present, single character. So first character can be any character, but second should be H. And after that, as many characters, because it is percent. It is presenting n number of characters. Suppose I say percent H underscore. Suppose I say n underscore. That means second last character should be n. Before there, n number of characters can be there. You can see here. So this was about wildcards. So